first step is to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. The ingredients you are going to need to make these Grinch crinkle cookies is some cornstarch and powdered sugar. Now put the cornstarch and powdered sugar into a bowl, a longer, thinner bowl, so that you can mix them all together and roll the cookies in them later. Mix it well and set it to the side. Take 1 bag of vanilla cake mix, 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable or canola oil, 2 eggs, and some Grinchy green food coloring, and mix it all together. Now, if your butter is still cold from the refrigerator and not softened, I like to put my butter in for 10 seconds in the microwave. I'm not sure if this does anything to the butter, but it makes it soften, so yeah, I just do it. I'm not a baker though, so if any of you are actual bakers, comment to me if that is not something I'm supposed to do. Because I don't see why it would mess up the recipe, but I mean, okay, now I'm just rambling on. Blah. It makes the butter softened. Yay! Now mix it all together and you will have a very, very thick and gooey dough. It's supposed to be like that, I think. It's going to be really, really thick, and you are going to have to use your hands unless you have one of those electric mixers, which I do not, so I used my hands. If you use your hands, you are going to need somebody to put the green food dye in for you. Now, the recipe said gel food dye, but using the liquid food dye did not seem to mess it up at all. So, liquid food dye works too. But you are going to have to get somebody to put the green food dye coloring in for you, whatever it's called. Put it in for you if you used your hands, because look at how messy it is. And this is just basically me struggling to get this stuff off my hands. Guys, don't use your hands. I said use your hands, but I mean, it's really messy. If you use your hands, I warned you. Next, you're going to want to take your ice cream scooper, only today it's going to be a cookie scooper, and you scoop up just enough cookie dough and drop it into the cornstarch powdered sugar mix, and then, if it'll go, okay, now it's in there. Then roll it around until it is covered in powdered sugar and cornstarch. Roll it into a ball with your hands and put it on the baking sheet. Woohoo! Warning, this part will be messy, like all things in baking. Next, bake your cookies for 8 to 10 minutes, and they should, when you pull them out, they should be a little bit brown on the bottom. At least mine were. So maybe pull them out a little sooner than I did. I put them in for like 10 minutes, so. And there you have it. Grinch cookies! Woo! Wait, not done yet. Just kidding, I lied. You need to put icing on them for the hearts. Now, some people use candy hearts. I did not have those, so I just used red icing. And red icing works fine. You can also use Red Hots, but we didn't have any of those either. So, icing hearts.